Hello everyone, I am Divya Kichi from IT Department, Acropolis Institute of Technology. In this video, we are going to study Java OOPS concepts. The following topics we are going to study in this video is OOPS, classes, objects, methods, and in detail we are going to study definition, different ways of creating an object, its related programs, and how to initialize object. First of all, what is OOPS? Object Oriented Programming System, or we can say structure. OOP is a programming paradigm or methodology. Paradigm can also be termed as method to solve some problem or to do some task. Programming paradigm is an approach to solve problem using some any programming language, or we can say any method to solve a problem using any tool techniques are paradigm. Now there are six main pillars of OOPS, that is class, objects and methods, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction and encapsulation. Language use. Small talk, it is a purely object-oriented programming language. Java, C Sharp, C++, Python are also an object-oriented programming language, but the language Smalltalk is purely object-oriented programming language. Now, what are classes, objects, and methods? First of all, class. Now, we can understand through an example, real life example. Suppose here I take one class name animal. Here, the animal is the class and its subparts like dog, cat, tiger, or we can say types of animals are the objects. One more example here, birds are the class and sparrow and peacock are the objects. Here, vehicles means it is a class, and types of vehicles like car, bus, these are the objects. Class, it is a collection of object. It is not a real world entity. Although it is not a real world entity, that's why it does not occupy any memory. Syntax. Now here the syntax of class is, first of all we use access modifier like public, protected, private, then we use keyword class, and then the name of class. Whatever name we want to name any class, here we can write that. Suppose I want to write animal as a class name, so here I write public class and animal, and the body of class covers methods, constructor, fields, blocks, and nested class. Now, next one is methods. Method is what task is performed. Here, animal is a class and dog and cat is a object. This is we already understand in last slide. Now, here eat and run are the methods. Basically, what task is performed by objects of a class is methods. What task dog perform, eating task, cat perform, run task. This is the real world example of methods, classes and object. Now the definition, method is a set of codes which perform a particular task. Advantages of methods are code reusability, code optimization, and the syntax of the methods are access modifier. First of all, we write any access modifier like public, return type, then we write return type void, and then method name. Suppose I take the name run. I want to create a method name run. So what we write, public void run, and here we can pass the parameters. So this is the syntax of methods. Now object. Object is an instance of class. It is a real world entity. That's why it occupies memory. Object consists of identifier, state and attribute like identity, example name, state and attribute, example breed, age, color, and behavior, example eat, run, bark. Here eat, run, bark, that is a behavior, is also methods. We can also call the behavior as a method. Now Classes objects, how we create object. There are many ways to create or initialize objects, like by using new keyword, by using new instance method, by using clone method, by using deserialization, by using factory method. In this slide, in this video, we only focus on by using new keyword. Okay. There are steps involved in to initialize object or to create object by using new keyword. First step is declaration. First of all, we declare a variable name within object type. Here animal is a class and the variable name, reference variable name, is Buzo. Let's take an example. Animal Buzo. Here animal is a class name and reference variable name. We take here a variable name for reference, that is Buzo. We can write any name instead of Buzo. Now the second step is installation. In the second step, we initialize this when the memory is allocated for an object. The new keyword is used to create the object. When memory allocate to the object, we use new keyword to create an object. A reference to the object that was created is written from the new keyword. Example, Buzo equals to new. Then the next step is initialization. Buzo equals to new animal. The new keyword is followed by a call to a constructor. This call initialize the object. Here, this is Buzo is the reference variable name. New, we can take the new keyword, and then here we can use constructor followed by a new keyword. To initialize, we use constructor followed by new keyword. So the example is Buzo equals to new animal. Next, by using the overall example, suppose we have a class name animal and we want to create an object of a class. So how we can write? We can write animal. First of all, we can write class name, that is animal. We take a reference variable name, that is Buzo. Then equals to new, we use constructor followed by new keyword. The statement is animal Buzo equals to new animal. Now to call the method by object or operator, dot operator. How we call a method? Suppose we have a method named run and we want to call it. How we can call? By using object or operator. We use Buzo, then we use dot operator, and then we write method name Buzo dot run. Next, now here is the complete example of how to create class, objects, methods, and how to call method. Here I take one example, class animal. Here the name of class is animal. In this I create one method by using the complete syntax public void eat. Here eat is the name of my method, and eat method is a method of class animal. Then here I print I am eating. Then the main methods come where I print one, and now we create object of class animal. We always create object in the main method. So how we create? First of all, write the class name, that is animal. Then Buzo, we take one reference variable name. Buzo equals to new keyword and then constructor. And constructor is the same name as of class. Here the object is created. Now I want to call methods by using object. Then we use object Buzo dot method name eat. Buzo dot method name run. Here one more method. So in this way we can call both the methods Buzo dot eat and the Buzo dot run. Now how output is appear? Go to the main method. First of all it prints 1, then it comes to the object. Here object is created, then method is called. First of all eat method is called Buzo dot eat. Then we go to the method eat. In this I am eating is print, so the output is I am eating. Then we call Buzo dot run, means run method is called. then we print I am running. Here this is the whole example of how to create classes, objects, and how to call methods, and how to create objects of any class. Okay, thank you.